Faucet-mounted water filters have become increasingly popular, but with all the options springing up on the market, which one to choose? Our experts have researched and reviewed the 6 top-rated faucet water filter systems. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best option and get the healthier drinking water flowing. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. The Pure Plus system has a sleek design that uses the space above your faucet instead of limiting the space closer to your sink. Hands down, this filter stands apart with the clarity, taste, and crispness when compared to most household brands. The Pure uses activated carbon with ion exchange to remove over 70 contaminants and impurities. In fact, it will remove 99% of lead and 96% of mercury, along with other harmful substances from your drinking water. But what we especially like about this faucet water filter is while it's removing the bad stuff, it features a mineral core technology that retains the healthy natural minerals for a great taste. And since it's NSF certified, you can have peace of mind knowing you're getting the highest quality water possible. The replacement filters have a long 100-gallon filter life, or about 3 months. Pure also uses a filter indicator to notify you when it's time for a change. Unlike other water filter systems, you don't regularly see the filter, so it's easy to forget that you need to change it. Installation is made simple with the Pure. Simply finger tighten the filter to the end of your faucet to get unlimited filtered water in under 10 minutes. No tools or plumbing modifications are required. The best part? It's backed by a 2-year warranty. The pros are it's NSF certified to remove over 70 contaminants like lead, mercury, and more. It's relatively inexpensive for the features included. It includes a filter replacement light notification, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. The cons are that the filter replacement light can have malfunctions, and it does not work with pull-out faucet heads. Next is the best filter life option, the Waterdrop Faucet Water Filter System. Waterdrop utilizes a premium activated carbon block filter that features a large surface area for maximum water contact to effectively absorb harmful substances that lurk in your tap water, leaving only the purest water. The Waterdrop is NSF certified for the reduction of 94.2% chlorine, taste, and odor. It's also constructed using only lead-free material, so you can be sure of safe and reliable drinking water at all times. The activated carbon material allows for fast filtration, so you don't need to wait around for your water. The faucet water filter system operates at a 0.5 gallon per minute flow rate, so you can fill up 4 16.9-ounce water bottles in less than 1 minute. But even though this filter is extremely effective, it doesn't require frequent replacements. Each faucet filter provides up to 320 gallons of cleaner water, which is over 3 times longer than most filter alternatives. And since the system has a switch to choose between filtered water and regular tap water, you can prolong the life of the filter. Installation only takes a few minutes and requires no tools. The water filter features leak-proof technology and can be easily attached to your faucet with one of the included 6 faucet adapters for instant access to clean water at home. The pros are that it's NSF certified for the reduction of chlorine, lead, bad taste, odor, and more. It's constructed with BPA-free and lead-free materials. It has a long 320-gallon filter life, and it includes an installation kit with multiple faucet adapters. The cons are that it does not include a filter replacement indicator, and it does not work with pull-out faucet heads. Next is the best value, the Brita Basic Faucet Water Filter System. You can't talk about water filters without Brita coming into the conversation. The popular Brita on-tap faucet system combines the best of filtration performance with a sleek design at a reasonable price point. This NSF-certified faucet mount water filter is capable of removing over 60 contaminants, including 99% of lead, while reducing chlorine, asbestos, and other common contaminants found in your tap water. It even features an added sediment filter layer to trap smaller particles and prolong the life of your filter. Available in white or chrome, the Brita incorporates a filter light indicator to remind you when it's time for a replacement. Each Brita filter can last up to 100 gallons, which significantly reduces plastic bottle waste and saves you money. And when it's time for a replacement, the one-click filter replacement system allows for changes in just a few seconds. The Brita also features a switch to toggle between filtered water or regular tap water, so you can further extend the life of the filter. A unique feature we like with the complete version is the choice between 3 water dispensing options, either filtered water, unfiltered water, and the unfiltered spray option. This system attaches directly to most standard faucets in a matter of minutes. Simply hand tighten the Brita system to your faucet for on-demand filtered water at home. Brita even offers a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. The pros are it's NSF certified for the reduction of lead, asbestos, bad taste, odor, and more. It's available in chrome or white colors. It has an included filter replacement indicator light, and it's available at a low price point for the features included. The cons are that it doesn't work with pull-out faucet heads, and it may not work well with low water pressure sinks. Next is the best compact option, the Culligan FM15A Advanced Faucet Mount Filter. If you're looking for a faucet mount water filter with a low profile, look no further. At only 3.5 by 5.5 inches, the Culligan FM15A Faucet Mount Filter Kit is compact and mounts directly onto your existing faucets with no tools in only a few minutes. The system comes in either chrome or white, so you can match it with your other kitchen appliances. But don't let the small size fool you. The Culligan doesn't disappoint when it comes to performance. Using an activated carbon filter, the FM15A is tested to NSF standards for the reduction of chlorine, chloramines, bad tastes, odors, and more. It's also certified to standard 53 for the reduction of lead, mercury, cysts, VOC, and turbidity, so you can have peace of mind knowing you're getting the best drinking water possible. And you don't have to wait around for your fresh filtered water since the flow rate is about 1 ounce per second. You can fill an 8-ounce glass in just a few seconds. Additionally, the Culligan faucet water filter has a long 200-gallon filter life. It features a filter switch to easily go from unfiltered to filtered water simply by pulling the diverter valve, so you can get healthier water when you want, but also extend the life of your filter to save money. With an industry-leading 2-year limited warranty, you can rest assured the Culligan will provide fresh, filtered water in your home for years to come. The pros are it's NSF certified for the reduction of lead, chlorine, bad taste, odor, and more. It's available in chrome or white colors. Its compact size takes little space and looks very sleek. The cons are that it does not work with pull-out faucet heads, and it does not include a filter replacement indicator. Next is the best premium option, the DuPont WFFM 350XCH Deluxe Faucet Water Filter. DuPont is a well-respected name in water filtration, and the DuPont Deluxe system is amongst the best faucet water filters available right now. With a 200-gallon filter life and digital filter indicator, you can ensure your water is always thoroughly clean and free of unwanted contaminants. The design is small and doesn't take up any unnecessary space over your sink. DuPont only delivers professional-grade water quality since this filter is NSF certified to remove chlorine, lead, mercury, VOC, and much more. It's also constructed with materials certified to be lead and BPA-free, so the end result is the purest water possible. Because it's a more premium faucet mount filter, the design of the DuPont is available in a variety of finishes to coordinate with existing faucet hardware, including white, chrome, and brushed nickel. The installation of this system requires a bit of handiwork, but you definitely won't need to enlist a plumber. With a pair of pliers, you can have clean and clear water ready any time of the day. The pros are it's NSF certified for the reduction of lead, chlorine, bad taste, odor, and more, available in premium white, chrome, brushed nickel finishes. It includes a digital display for water filter life, and its compact size takes little space and looks very sleek. The cons are it does not work with pull-out faucet heads, and it's a more premium-priced filter option. Next is the best for durability, the WINGSOL stainless steel faucet water filter. With a sturdy 304 stainless steel design, there's no leaking, which is a known issue with other faucet water systems. The WINGSOL has developed a reputation for being uncrackable. The one-piece housing is no welding and is 3 millimeters thick for a sturdy filter option that will last you for years to come. We especially like the freely swiveling 360-degree mounting that allows for maximum flexibility. And installation takes only a few minutes since the filter kit includes multiple faucet adapters to attach to your home's faucets seamlessly. You also won't lose any sink space. Unlike other faucet water filter systems, the WINGSOL water filter has a very compact design. As far as performance, the WINGSOL tap water filter is NSF certified to remove lead, arsenic, chlorine, and immediately improves the taste and smell too, yet at the same time, keep the beneficial minerals. Best of all, the WINGSOL filter is made of carbon fiber, so it will last up to 320 gallons, which is multiples longer than most competitors. You also won't notice a drop in water pressure, as this faucet mount system can produce a whopping 12 cups per minute flow rate. The pros are it's NSF certified for the reduction of lead, chlorine, bad taste, odor, and more. Its durable 304 stainless steel design won't crack or leak. Its compact size takes up little space. And the carbon fiber filter lasts up to 320 gallons. The cons are it's only available in one color. It does not work with pull-out faucet heads, and it does not include a filter replacement indicator. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.